Hello everyone! Welcome back to my blog. This is Hawak Kamay channel. So for today, I'm here guys at the downtown Toronto, and I want to show you guys the building of the old City Hall. So this is the old City Hall here in Toronto, which is I'm in front right now. And look at this, this is beautiful and a busy area. So later on, after showing this one, the old City Hall building, I'm going in the Nathan Phillips Square. So that's the side of the building. Look at this. This is unique, very unique structure. And if it's sunny, napakaganda guys yung yung outcome ng picture dyan. Kasi nagre-reflect yung kulay ng building and at the same time yung sun. So behind me there is a big skating ring called Nathan Phillips Square. The Nathan Phillips Square is so busy, mapa-winter, summer, fall, and gabi, day and night. So it's very busy here. People come here, especially yung mga turista na dito sila nagpupunta. At meron kasi dito yung malaking placard ng Toronto, which is nag-i-illuminate yan pag gabi. So napakaganda and it's busy. This is a very busy area here in Toronto. So ito guys, ang skating ring. Alright, so panoorin natin guys ang mga naglalaro dito. It's free, open for everybody, mapabata, matanda, dalaga, binata, or any ages. This is open. And pag wala ka namang dalang skating shoes, there is a rental place here where you can rent the skating shoes. So you don't have to worry kung wala kang dala, it's fine as long as you're good. Alright, and there's restaurants, there's cafe, there is fast food everywhere and close to Eaton Center. Alright guys, panoorin natin. So the Eaton Center is a big second and famous mall in Toronto. So after here, mostly ang ginagawa yung mga naglalaro or nagpupunta dito, especially if it's winter, after here, they go to Eaton Center. It's just like 3 minutes walk away from here. Doon sila kakain, magsha-shopping, mag-coffee, something like that. So, ayan guys. It's very busy here, especially at night. And, ayan, open areas kasi ito na lahat pwedeng maglaro dito. And even events. Yes. Doon naman sa Old City Hall, meron din mga events doon, pero kailangan ng schedulean. But you can go inside for like, tingin-tingin. Diba? Ang ganda at maraming tao. Ayan yung Toronto guys. Napakaganda yan paggabi. And it's very bright in here. And this is where they put also the Christmas tree in downtown. Aside from the Christmas tree inside the Eaton Center. So, ayan. Ito lang, konting update lang naman dito. And this guy is a very good skater. That guy, yes. Uh-oh.
Small, step by step, we'll make it through together.
So ayan guys, habang nagbablog ako, may nakilala tayong kababayan natin from Alberta.
Ayan mga kababayan natin guys, all the way from Alberta. Say hi, shout out. Ayan, baka makikilala kayo dyan, shout out nyo dyan.
Shout out to Sai from Edmonton. Shout out to Tom and Jerry.
Alright. Thank you guys. Enjoy your stay here. Alright. Ano po?
So cleaning time of the skating ring Ayan, so magpapahinga rin yung mga naglalaro para mamaya ay ready na naman sila ulit. Ayan, ang ginagawa nila, lilinisan and then lalagyan ng tubig para parang napalis ba. Maganda kasi ayan. Busy din pa rin ang mga kababayan natin. O, diba? Ang sweet-sweet nila. Sana all. Ayan, ang ganda ng tingnan, ang linis na. Mag-enjoy na naman silang maglalaro dyan. I think patapos na guys, paalis na ang truck. So, ganyan yung itsura pag matapos linisan. O, diba, ang ganda. Hindi na nakakatakot maglaro ulit kasi wala na yung mga, yung mga na-scrape ng skating shoes. So, ayan, paalis na siya. Ayan, magpa-park na. And then, everybody go back na naman doon sa skating ring. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ganun lang yun.
My whole life, come on. Journey, yearning. From the far north of the Philippines, carrying hope and simple dreams. Now I walk these Toronto streets, cold air, but my heart still beats. I'm just a girl with open eyes, big dreams under white blue skies, working hard, staying strong, every step where I belong. Through the wind.
Alright, this is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everyone for your full support. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is Hawa Kamay. And I hope to see you again on my next one. Alright, bye!